Dog. Myna. Cheetah. Cat. Pigeon. Deer. Bison. Meerkat. Parrot. Iguana, a family of reptiles characterized by their distinctive appearance with elongated bodies, scales, and, in many species, a spiny crest along their backs. What distinguishes iguanas from other animals is their remarkable adaptation to arboreal life. With strong limbs and sharp claws, they are skilled climbers, often residing in trees and using their excellent vision to detect predators and locate food. Additionally, iguanas exhibit an intriguing ability to change color, not only for camouflage but also to regulate their body temperature, a feature that sets them apart as captivating, tree-dwelling reptiles in the animal kingdom.